In our previous lecture, we have done part A, question number 1, 2, and 3. Now we start question number 4. Question number 4 is how does a potato plant reproduce? Potato मतलब आलू के पौधे को हम दोबारा कैसे उगा सकते हैं? Before start the answer of this question, I will show you a picture of. If you open your book page number 5, look at this picture, students. In these pictures, we show that potato with eyes. When we grow a potato, when we want to grow a potato, you look that there is, these have been grown in the potato. These are called potato eyes. Now I write the answer of this question. Potato is underground potato is underground stem. Potato is underground stem. Potato is basically ground under the earth, under the soil. Potatoes have buds called eyes on them. Bud called eyes on them. Student, I show you a picture in your book of potato that produce buds, and these buds are called eyes. When we grow a potato, when we want to grow a potato, we take a potato and sow them under the soil. When a potato have buds, these buds called eyes. When a potato grows, a small eyes, each eye can grow. Each eye can grow easily. Can grow easily into a new plant. Students, when we want to grow a potato plant, we take a potato. Potato is basically an underground stem. It is ground under the soil. हम पोटैटो को जमीन मट्टी खोद के जमीन के नीचे दबा देते हैं. Potatoes have buds. कुछ आलू पोटैटोस के ऊपर बर्ड्स होते हैं, उनकी वो बारीक बारीक से शाखें निकली होती है. Called eyes. These birds are called eyes on them. जिन्हें हम उनकी आंखें भी बोलते हैं, वो पोटैटोस के ऊपर होती हैं. Each eye can grow easily. हर आंख जितने भी उसके ऊपर पोटैटोस के ऊपर बर्ड्स को उसको बर्ड्स बने होते हैं, हर बर्ड्स वो इजीली उग जाता है इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट्स. एक पोटैटोस के ऊपर जितनी बर्ड्स होंगी उससे उतने ही न्यू प्लांट्स ग्रो करेंगे. I hope all of you understand this. Yes, students, very good. Students, before starting the question number 5, I play a video for you. First, all the students look the video carefully. Then I write the next question.
Ploughs were traditionally drawn by working animals such as oxen and horses, but in modern times are mostly drawn by tractors. The most important action in turning the soil over is that it improves air circulation so that roots can respire easily.
Then we plough the fields and the soil becomes soft and we can grow the plants and the seeds easily.
Ploughing improves the water retaining capacity of the soil. Roots can penetrate deeper into the soil, thus hold the plant tightly. It helps in loosening of the soil. It helps in uprooting weeds. It helps in proper mixing of manure in the soil.
Okay, students, I hope all of you understand after seeing this video. Now I write the next question. Question number 5 is basically related the videos that you have been seeing. Our next question is question number 5. What are the advantage what are the advantages what are the advantages of ploughing what are the advantages of ploughing the field? Ploughing the fields, ploughing mean हल चलाना, जमीन को नरम करना और उसको बीज उगाने के काबिल बनाना. In this question, who write the advantages? क्या फायदे हैं? Who write the advantages of ploughing the fields? How ploughing is important and what are the advantages of ploughing the field? Why farmer necessary to make the fields soft and plough? Now I write the answer of this question. There are following advantages of ploughing the field. We have different advantages of ploughing the fields. I hope all of you understand. We write this question in points. First, I write the first point. The point number 1 is ploughing loosens the soil. When a farmer run a plough in the field, the soil of this field become loose and soft so that fluffing basically हल चलाना लूजन्स नरम बना देता है, यह जमीन को सॉफ्ट बना देता है, द सॉइल मट्टी को. फ्लफिंग लूजन्स द सॉइल, हल चलाने से मट्टी नरम हो जाती है और जमीन को अच्छा बना देता है. Now I write the point number 2. You can also write this question in points so you can learn easily. Number 2 is it breaks. Breaks mean तोड़ना. It breaks the hard soil. In a field, the all soil is not same. There is some soft soil and there is some hard soil. When a farmer plough in the fields with the help of ploughing, breaks the hard soil will break and become soft soil. Okay. Now I write the third point. It uproots the weeds. Weeds mean jadi bootiyan that have been grown in the soil. Weeds growing in it. When a farmer run plough in their fields, it uproots with the help of ploughing the roots, uproots the weeds. Weeds mean जड़ी बूटियां. जब किसान खेत में हल चलाता है तो उससे जितने भी जड़ी बूटियां होती हैं वो सब ग्रोइंग इन इट वहां से और उसके अंदर जड़ी बूटियों को इजीली उगा सकता है और वो जड़ी बूटियां आसानी से उसके अंदर से निकल सकती हैं. Again I revise the answer of this question. Why? What are the advantages of ploughing the fields? There are following advantages of ploughing the fields. There are many advantages of ploughing the fields. Ploughing loosens the soil. It makes the soil loosens. It makes the soil soft. Number 2 is it breaks the hard soil. With the help of ploughing, the hard soil will break and become soft soil and turn into small pieces. The third one is it uproots the weeds growing in it. With the help of ploughing, all the weeds, unnecessary weeds that have been grown in the field will cut down. Okay, students? I hope all of you understand.
टीचर आपकी आवाज अड़ के आ रही है.
Now I write the diary. I hope all the students note down these two questions. Now I write the diary. Lesson number 1. We have done part E. Question number 4 plus 5 is Seawalk line. Okay, students. All the students note down the diary. I hope all of you understand and note down the diary.